The manufacturing cycle begins with the bulk delivery of farm-fresh strawberries. Heavy industrial equipment transfers the raw material directly into the factory intake channels. A continuous conveyor system moves the fruit directly into the initial washing zone. Technicians inspect the conveyor flow to manually cull any underripe or damaged fruit. High-pressure wash systems sanitize the fruit surfaces before processing. Automated de-stemming machinery cleanly removes the green leafy crowns. The discarded greens are collected and routed for agricultural composting. The berries are crushed instantly into a rich, high-viscosity fruit pulp.
Pumps transfer the fresh pulp to the cooking department under precise flow metrics.
In the vacuum kettles, the pulp is blended with liquid sugar and natural pectin. Boiling under a vacuum thickens the jam to a perfect gel without burning the fruit. Laboratory analysis verifies the Brix levels to ensure consistent product standards. The jam is flash pasteurized to ensure long-term shelf stability.
Glass jars are air sanitized and preheated before entering the filling zone.
A rotary filling carousel tops hundreds of jars per minute with extreme precision. Electronic flow sensors guarantee an exact fill volume for every single jar. The automated capper applies the lids, creating a secure vacuum seal. A cold water shower rapidly chills the glass jars to set the jam structure. Powerful air knives dry the exterior of the containers before labeling.
High-speed labeling wheels apply the branding graphics onto the line.
Laser scanners inspect every unit to guarantee flawless packaging quality. Inkjet coders stamp tracking data onto the lids for quality control. Robotic pick-and-place arms pack individual jars into cardboard shipping cases. The finished strawberry jam is cleared and ready